And so this is where, again, I think people can be critical of some of the leaders that maybe they've experienced, whether it's in their bishopric, maybe it's in their state presidency, and they say, well, so-and-so just he rubs me wrong, or he does things the wrong way, or whatever the case may be. And you hear this quite often where, people have problems with some of their leadership. But if they stop and step back and look at it and say, yeah, but is that a person that's willing to go out and to work and to execute and to try to build up the kingdom of God and not have to be commanded in all things? And if that is the type of person they are, that's a good thing. That means sometimes they won't always get it right. We need to be forgiving and understanding of that. But at least they are doing what the Lord expects them to do, to act in righteousness as far as they're able to, and we have to have the perception to realize what they are doing is actually fulfilling what the Lord is calling us to do. Each one of us to do is to act and be engaged and be an instrument and a tool in his hands, even if we're not always the sharpest tool, even if we're not always perfect. We'll make mistakes, but doing something is oftentimes so much better, and the Lord can do so much more with that than if we simply sit around and wait to be told exactly what to do from the Lord or from church leadership.
And what's beautiful about this is that outside of those callings that are extended to you, that's kind of, I don't know if it's correct to say you're compelled to do, but, we receive these callings and we serve in the church, right? But outside of those like official formal callings that we receive from God, what this is saying is you have 100% freedom in how you go about doing it. Like do it the way you, like according to your gifts, your talents. Find a way that's fun for you, that you enjoy doing. Have fun in it. Find the joy in life in a way that brings to pass righteousness, that is uplifting to yourself and to others, that creates a little bit of light, a little bit of happiness in your sphere around you. You have complete freedom, like free will. You can do it your way, and that's what the Lord wants us to do. And it's that grow where you're planted kind of idea, where the things that I'm good at, that I like doing, is different than the things that you might be good at and you like doing. And guess what? Like, that's perfect. Like, that's that's what makes life interesting. The power is in us. We are agents unto ourselves, and we can go about doing good. And it can be fun. And the flip side is, if we don't, we're damned. He that doeth not anything until he's commanded, and you learn to talk. He that doeth not anything until he is commanded. That was the comment I got on one of our shorts, our YouTube shorts, our video that said, you need to learn to, but it said you need to work on speaking. And I was like, if I haven't got it after 37 years, I'm probably not going to.
We're from Texas. Our English isn't so good, so
we don't speak good.
Forgive us.
He that doeth not anything until he is commanded, and receiveth the commandment with doubtful heart, and keepeth it with slothfulness, the same is damned. So it's pretty black and white.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.